In this lesson, I'll talk briefly about group assets. Group assets are used in some countries, in particular the United States, to calculate depreciation at group level rather than by individual asset. You have to create a group asset first for each asset class, and then link each asset to it when you create them. In the slide, I've only set up areas 32 and 33 for group assets, so only those two are shown in the Depreciation Areas tab of the Group Asset Master Record, but you can set group assets for whichever area and asset class that you want. There's also an app called Create Group Asset Subnumber, or Transaction AS24, to group, for example, all acquisitions for each year together. For this example, I created two assets using the standard app Create Asset, or Transaction AS01, filling in most of the master data fields as normal, apart from the Depreciation Areas tab. In the Depreciation Areas tab, I double-clicked on the two depreciation areas that are set up for group assets to get to the group asset field. This slide shows the screen you get to when you double-click on the depreciation area. In this example, I've assigned the group asset 30010 to the ordinary asset 30011. And although not shown, I did the same for the ordinary asset 30012. Once you've assigned a group asset to an ordinary asset in a depreciation area, the system calculates and posts the depreciation for the asset only at the group asset level for that depreciation area. This slide shows a test run of depreciation. You can see that for the leading ledger, the depreciation is calculated as normal at asset level. But for Ledger 2L, where the depreciation is calculated at group level, you can see only the group asset. We'll cover depreciation in more detail in a later lesson.